Hey, Tom Sapadaka here for another instructional video for you. Today, we're going to be doing an exercise that's going to develop your strong chest, strong body, strong core, strong total body overall while protecting your shoulders and joints. I'm talking about the strict push-up. All right, I see a lot of push-ups done improperly, elbows out, which is bad for the shoulder. You're not getting the full benefit of the push-up, all right? I'm gonna show you how to do it right. Today, this is how I do it. This is how I think you should do it as well to get the most out of every push-up, every rep you do, all right? So going through my 5-step system setup, I'll walk you through it. We're gonna do a high plank position setup, all right? Hands, shoulder width apart, straight down by your sides. Then we do full body tension. You're going to set up in that plank and engage everything. Your abs, your glutes, your legs, your core, everything's going to be activated in that high plank position. That's step 2. Step 3 is a little different. You may have not heard this before. This is going to be the key in protecting those shoulders and getting the most out of it. And that's going to be your elbow position setup when you on your sides and how you roll those elbow inward. This is what I mean, all right? So you're setting up here. You're packing, you're activating your entire body. What you're going to do here is roll your elbow inward. That's going to bring roll your inner elbow in. That's going to bring your elbow back into the sides. From the sides, you can see as I roll in, my shoulder packs down, okay? Packs down. I'm activating my lat, that big back muscle you have. That's going to, again, like I said, it's total body. That engages when you pack it in, that protects your shoulder, packed in the socket. Again, a packed shoulder is a protect shoulder. Elbow in, engage that lat, and then from there, we do the push-up. Then you go to the bottom part of the push-up, you're lowering yourself down, all the way down, pause, and then you power it up strong all the way to the top. All right, power up strong. And then if I had a step 6, that's going to be finishing strong. Power strong, finish strong. Finishing strong means coming all the way up to the top. And then locking that elbow, straight arm, so you can activate and real fully fire your tricep, all right? The tricep is a push muscle. Push. Anything you're pressing or pushing, it's going to be activating your tricep, all right? So let's break that down. We'll take it one step at a time. High plank position, all right? I'll do it from the sides first. So high plank, elbows lined up, shoulder width apart. All right, step 2 is going to activate your abs, your core, everything's engaged. All right, you make sure that you're not dipped in or your hips aren't up. That's why we activate core, your pelvis rolls forward, you fire your abs, all right? And you're rotating the elbow inward, elbows, remember, packing that shoulder, elbow in, and then we lower ourselves, lowering yourself down, always under control. Bring it down while my elbow stays by my side. All right? As you pull down, power up, finish strong. Notice how I'm finishing at the top. I'm pulling down. Meanwhile, I'm staying in that strong high plank position. All right? Every single time as I come down. Always finish strong, always finish under control. All right? So, one thing to always remember is that if you can't do the rep with high quality and your technique goes down, stop the reps. Stop the set. Even if you're going to do, it's better to do 4 high quality reps than to do 8 low quality, pretty crappy reps, right? You don't want to do that. You don't want to learn improper technique. That's why I teach you the proper technique on each of my exercise videos. This is just one of them, another one of them. So again, setting it up. This is what I want you to practice. This is how I do it. Plank, hands on the ground, all right? Hands are right in front of you, all right? Lined up. You want your wrist lined up with your elbow. So it's all, you're not up here, you're not way over here. It's all lined up. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, lined up in a straight line, all right? Vertical. Okay, I'll do it from an angle so you can see. Here, and of course I'm packing, I'm setting it up. So line up, vertical, activate, glutes, abs, everything's tight. I roll my elbow in, I pack my shoulder, Again, and I pull down, elbows come back to the side. So my elbows are scraping by my sides. Every single rep is one at a time. Control it down. You should be able to control slow, and power it up strong. All right? No quick half reps. We're not doing half reps here. We're doing full range of motion. Touch that chest in the bottom. Touch your nose. You can reach that far with that range of motion. If not, you can work on that. That's your goal. All the way down. Pause. Power it up. Fire the triceps. Fire your chest. You fire your entire body because it's activated. The full body exercise, like I said, total body, total tension, and total benefit because you're engaging the whole body. You're not just repping out half quality, I'll use that word, half quality reps like a lot of people do because they're trying to get 50 reps. Why get 50 half quality? You can get 25 high quality in sets of 5 or 10 or whatever it is, all right? So quality over quantity, every single time you're gonna get so much more out of it. You're gonna stay injury free. You're gonna protect those shoulders. Like I said at the beginning, protect the shoulders, pack them in. A packed shoulder in the socket is a safe shoulder, all right? The shoulders are very mobile, all right? You can move them all different directions, but they're not very stable, all right? So you wanna stabilize them by packing them in that shoulder socket, all right? Like I said, you wanna protect the shoulder. When you come out this way, doing push-ups like this, I've seen a lot of these, shrug shoulders, the shoulder is not very safe. It's out of the socket. It's not packed and safe, all right? So that's why I go through these 5-step systems. You could do this correctly, protect your shoulders, get the most out of it, build a strong chest, strong triceps, strong core, strong glutes, strong total body from just doing one exercise, the strict push-up. This is one of the exercises I put into every one of my workout programs, training programs with kettlebells, or sometimes if I'm just doing a body weight for that day, just knock out the push-up, right? That's a great, effective, excellent chest developer, strengthener, and like I mentioned before, full body strengthener as well, if you do it the way I'm teaching it with these strict push-ups. So practice this. My 5-step system with the bonus 6, finishing strong all the way to the top. Fully lock that arm. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I want to help you learn these correctly, just like any one of my other videos, correctly, properly, safely, so you can continue making progress towards your goals. All right, guys? So again, let's do this together. Let's do this right. I'll be here with you every step of the way. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.